We're here at Convoy Auto Repair today, and a lot of times over the years we have customers tell us they hear some strange noises coming out of their car. But in my 30 years, this has got to be one of the strangest noises I've heard. We're starting a brake job, which is in process right now. And as you can see, we're actually machining the rotors on the right rear of this vehicle. And this is a normal operation, and the rear brakes were just fine. But as I take you around the car and we look over here, go over here to the left rear, and the left rear, this is pretty normal looking brakes. This is what we would expect a worn out brake to look at. But as we start going to the front, things start changing. And as we move to the front of the car, this is the left front, and if you look very carefully, you can see something has happened to this rotor. It's gone metal to metal, and these are the brake pads down in here, and there's actually no brake pad left. It's all metal. So obviously, this has made quite a bit of noise. But this is not the amazing part. As we move around and we go over to the other side of the car, this is the right front. And the right front, this is actually the brake rotor. And as you can see, we've gotten our full use out of this rotor. As the vehicle went around, you can't tell me that this didn't make a tremendous amount of noise. Obviously, it's created a lot of damage to the vehicle and a lot of repairs. And really, the point I'd like to make is when you hear small noises in your car, don't wait. Don't think they're going away, because they're not. Come in and have us take a look at them, and we'll get them fixed for you before you have this type of damage. And the underlining note there is obviously this vehicle was very unsafe and ultimately had to be towed in.